I said jog, bitch.
What's up, my peeps? It's Cynthia, the fitness and wellness bully here. And today I'm going to share some walking tips, mostly walking, and talk about if you want to start, integrating some jogging. But the thing is, if you're going for a leisurely walk, I mean, these tips are not going to work for you. But if your goal is to burn body fat, like me, cardiovascular health, like me, and to burn body fat, like I said before, then these tips should help you reach your health and fitness goals. So the first thing I want to mention is wearing the right attire. Something that is workout clothes, shoes are extremely important, especially if you want to start jogging or running. And I have a video I did years ago about picking the right running shoe that I will share down the line. But first, number one is wearing the right clothing. And don't be this person. Okay, please. Yeah, girl, I'm out here getting my cardio on, trying to get ready for our Cancun trip. I'm gonna be fine. Y'all gonna be jealous. Next tip is walk with proper form. It doesn't have to be perfect, but standing up straight, keeping your head looking forward, moving those arms will get your heart rate a little higher. And that's the next tip. If you have a wearable and you're anal retentive like me, and you want to make sure that you stay in what they call the fat burning zone, you would track that on your wearable. Okay, so you would take 220 minus your age, which gives you your maximum heart rate, and then you want to get to maybe 65 to 80% of your maximum heart rate, which they consider your fat burning zone. If you Google, the percentages may be off a little bit, but typically 65 to 80% of your maximum heart rate, you want to stay within that range. And so if you have a wearable, you can do that. But again, walk with proper form. Next up is being aware of your surroundings. I mean, I know we tend to be on our phone texting all the time, but if you're on a mission, then you want to make sure that you're focused on that mission. That doesn't mean texting and keeping your head down, all right? Like this. If you are trying to move into running, jogging, what have you, I'm not the running beast like I used to be, so mine is a jog. You could use different apps to help you and that give you cues. It'll tell you to start walking, it'll tell you to start jogging, and that helps ease you into that zone. So look at some of those apps. I don't want to really mention, thank you, any of them right now. I guess the popular one is Couch to 5K, but yeah, so if that's what you're interested in, to do that, do it, all right? And listen to the cues it gives you, like so.
Start jogging. I said jog.
Now this next one is not really a tip, it's more of a pet peeve of mine, okay? If somebody say hi to you, it ain't gonna cost you anything to say hi back, to wave, do a little head nod. Just don't be rude out here in these streets, okay? Please don't. Another thing that's helpful is wearing a bracelet that has your emergency contact, especially if you are walking by yourself. A client of mine actually gave me one as a gift which I appreciate. And yeah, so that's another good idea if you're going to be walking. If you have a crazy, energetic, lovable dog like I do, take them with you, because 9 times out of 10, they're going to make sure you stay in your fat burning zone. I promise you that. All right, my peeps, those are the tips for walking. I hope they're helpful for you. Remember, we are in this together. I am trying to drop body fat, do a little body recomposition, lose a little weight. I know that's what you're trying to do too, right? Maybe you're just watching just to be watching. Hey, you know, whatever floats your boat. However, have fun. Put on some music that you love. People who know me, I'm a house head, so that's what I'm rocking when I'm out here walking and jogging. So just have fun. Don't beat yourself up. If one day you decide you don't want to walk, it's all good. It's a journey, okay? So listen, that's all I got for you today. Ain't got no more. In the words of Funky Dineva, if you know, you know. Until next time, peace.